In this video, I'll show you how to copy a color code from the internet. Alright, so first we're going to go to the internet and we're going to find a color palette. Alright, so if you type in color palette, or for now, we'll type in color palette. Alright, so if we type in color palette, click on that, and we have colors right here, and we have color hunt. So I'll click on color hunt for color palette for designers and artists. So click on that. So we have some color palettes right here with colors that are blending well together. Alright, so if I scroll down a bit and select a color palette that I like, I can just go and click on it. So once I hover over each color, I'll see a color code right here. And if you click on it, it would actually copy it. So what you could do now is you could go back to Canva, and then you could click on your text, then you could click on text color, and then you could click on add a new color, and then you could just paste the color code right here, and now your text has been changed to that exact color, alright, which is the green. Alright, so let's try to change the color of this text right here as well. So select this text box, go to text color, go to add color, and then go to the internet, and we're going back to the panel. So we're going to try to get this yellowish creamish color. So you just click on the color code. Now it's copied. Go back to Canva, and then we're going to paste it right here where our color code is. And now we have that creamish color for our text. So I'm just going to change it to a different color. So we're going to go back on the internet by our color palette. I'm going to change it to this blue. Alright, so I'm going to click on the color code right here. Now it's copied. We're going to go back to Canva, and we're going to highlight the color code, and then we're going to just paste the color code we got for the navy blue color from the palette that we were looking at, this color right here. So now we copied it, we have the navy blue color selected right here. Alright, so that's how you could copy the color code from the internet, if you find a color palette that you like. And Color Hunter is a nice website to get some palettes if you're just starting out with your brand, or you're just about to start your business and you want to design like a logo or so. The color palettes on this website is nice, so you could just browse through them and you could check them out. There are multiple websites that you could check out that has color palettes. If I click back, so you could just scroll through and see the different websites that have color palettes, and you could just work with them. Even if you just go and click image, you could see some color palettes that you could actually work with. So that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.